Video is related with Tether, and Tether is a stable coin, or in other words, stable crypto. So for those people who do not know stable coin, basically Tether's value is equivalent to US dollar, which means its value is not going to go up, its value is not going to go down. For one Tether, its value is going to be $1, which means, have you ever heard about $1 being $2 or $1 being $3? Well, if you compare the dollar with other countries' currency, like let's say I compare dollar with Indian rupees, then it can go up and down. But if I compare dollar with like its own value, dollar, it's not going to go up, it's not going to go down. That's basically what Tether is. So when you're buying Tether, you're buying US dollars. So you can keep that in mind, alright? Why you need stablecoin is to buy crypto, you need to first buy stablecoin like Tether, then only you guys can buy crypto. So that's basically what stablecoin is. It links the real money with crypto money, alright? So let's get into the video on how you guys, if you want to go and buy crypto, and once you go and buy crypto, you want to choose which currency you want to use to buy, like, you know, your Tether, or in another word, USDT. So in default, it's going to be GBP. You can click on this arrow to change it to USD, which means you're going to use US dollar to buy Tether. These are all the way on how you guys can buy Tether. The first way is bank deposit, which means you guys can link your bank to buy Tether. The second is card. The second is P2P, which means you guys are gonna send money to somebody's bank, and once they receive that money, they're gonna send you USDT. In another word, Tether. That's basically what P2P is. And third party payment means you guys are gonna use other payment method to pay for it. So let's say I want to use my credit or debit card over here. I can go on over here, and I can go on over here and enter the, like, you know, amount of Tether I want to buy. So let's say I'm going to be buying around $10 USDT, which means I need to choose 10 over here, and at the bottom I need to choose Tether. So TE USDT over here. So once I write USDT, I'm going to be using my US dollar to buy USDT, which means for 10 US dollars, I'm going to get 9.85 USDT. Once I click on continue, it's going to ask me to verify my payment method. After verifying my payment method, I should be able to buy Tether. So that's basically it on how you guys can buy Tether. Hope you guys were able to understand the video.